Hi everyone! Welcome back to Serenity Soaps by Aki. My name is Aki, and today I'll be making a coffee sugar scrub. I was asked a while ago to make a tutorial for this, so here it goes. For this recipe, you need at least an 8-ounce jar. You can use any jar of your choice, I just chose this bell jar. First, we'll be adding 1.2 ounces of sunflower oil. Then, we'll be adding 0.4 ounces of coconut oil, 0.7 ounces of emulsifying wax, 0.4 ounces of shea butter. Now we're just going to heat this in the microwave. It took about 40 seconds for it to be completely melted. And we're just going to keep stirring this around until it cools down. I find that, swishing it around in the container like that helps it cool down even faster. This is about the consistency you want. It's thick and it won't fall off the spatula easily. And this is when I add the fragrance. We'll be using fresh brewed coffee from Nature's Garden. This is the best coffee fragrance I've found. Like, it smells amazing. It has the right amount of sweetness, but it's not too sweet. Now we're going to be adding 5.3 ounces of regular granulated sugar and just slowly pour it in because you want to, make sure it's evenly distributed. Now we'll be adding the coffee grounds. You can add as much as you want. I don't like to add too much, but yeah, it's just up to you how much coffee grounds you want to add to your coffee scrub. Last, I'll be adding my preservative. I chose Optifin Plus because it's formaldehyde and paraben free. I added it at a rate of 0.75%. Now it's done, so you can just, put it in your jar. It will get thicker within 24 hours, but it won't be like solid hard. It'll just be, a nice thickness, like maybe Vaseline thick. I don't know how to explain these things, but yeah, that's how you make a simple emulsified coffee sugar scrub. And it feels so nice, y'all. Like, this is just very wonderful. I always use this recipe all the time. And I just want to show you how it works. So you just grab some and make sure you're only rubbing it on damp skin, wet skin, yeah. And what the emulsion does is when it comes in contact with the water, it creates this really nice smooth lotion effect. And it just really leaves your skin feeling silky smooth. And y'all, I'm just crazy over this coffee fragrance because it just smells so good, and the scent lingers on your skin for a while too, like it's giving barista baddie vibes. Y'all, let me shut up and end this video. I'd love to hear how this recipe works for y'all. I'll have the recipe in the description box below, and I'll also have the recipe listed in percentages as well. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.